You know, I was just warming up before, and now I'm heated. You dig? Can you feel that? Had City Studios. We live up and running. You feel that? It got fucking cold on this bitch.
Yo, I'm not saying bitch.
What happened? I'm saying shoddy, nigga.
Niggas my car.
Oh, yeah, I'm driving this motherfucker.
Damn. Niggas gotta go all the way to North Haven. This nigga Neil coming out with a bottle right now. That's how with these smoke. It always come around, karma's a bitch. No pussy can slow me down. Baby, I'm pimp, bang 'em like Sean Kemp. These Kwame Brown niggas trying to contend, but friend niggas, why? Fake niggas pretend. The reason for a lie, niggas wanna fit. We up here, North Haven, Connecticut.
Yo, the CD's in the trunk though.
The CD's in the trunk, we gotta get my CDs out. Yeah, man, we out here in North Haven right now. Fucking Holiday Inn. Robot Coalition tour, nigga.
Take it left.
Nigga need to take a fucking piss, nigga. Shit. This shit official though.
Alright, it's about that time. We got a special friend, Al-Fatir, coming to the stage right now. It's Kiss 95.7. My name's Prolific. DJ Jimmy, man. Lust for life, no trizzy. I'm about to do this big and I'm taking niggas with me. Sour niggas messy. You don't gotta go hard for the money. Go hard for the money. No sleep, yeah, I'm living a dream. I go hard for the money, go hard for the money. No sleep, yeah, I'm living a dream. I go hard for the money, go hard for the money. No sleep, yeah.
Let's get the fuck out of here. Yeah. So we leaving the Holiday Inn right now, out in North Haven. We just shut this motherfucker down. The kids love us. That's what the fuck we do. And we getting ready to head back home, man. Got this bottle of Henny in the fucking car. I got an album about to roll on the way. You know, fucking sucker.
Yo, Mike.
Football, Coca combo, Italian edition.
Or they got $6 footlong now, $7 footlong now, $5 damn.
No cheese on it?
This shit all just be $5.
Yeah, they got $8, $5 footlong.
$8.25
for a $5 footlong, eh?
For one sandwich though. They got a $5.50 footlong.
You gave one to them or not?
What is for?
The kids that were right there. That was a real good one.
What those kids right there?
Oh, they're down the whip. Fuck it.
That mayo be miracle whip. That's never cut. Niggas don't fuck with that miracle.
Nah, they do breakfast still.
Breakfast?
You got the bacon, egg, and cheese. All can't even bacon. No.
They got flat
Subway.
in this bitch.
I get some more, please. I'm finding 5 more.
This nigga, he wanted more vinegar. Okay.
That's what I got good.
That nigga about to have heartburn like a motherfucker. This nigga about to have a serious
out the side of his mouth.
This nigga chicken. The regular bread. Italian.
So you want a 6-inch Italian, right?
No thank you.
We on the road beef. This shit is crazy.
Shit like it came off a cow's butt. Lettuce, please.
Why they playing Coolio in here? Gangsta's paradise.
They just had Shutterburger on too. Yo, tell them to throw that shit on the speakers, yo. Some little robots.
Nail, please.
Ask him what's playing there. Ask him what's playing. What he's playing for. I don't know. Ask him.
No, that's it.
Look at that shit. You got the baby sub?
Mayonnaise sandwich with a little bit of meat on my shit.
Yo, she flooded nigga shit,
Coming
man.
in mayo.
See that Milo and this.
Yeah.
And I specifically said I saw a little bit of mayo.
You ain't see me tell them this?
How I get a free drink off this shit?
Yo, this nigga JJ over here getting free drinks and shit. He said, yo, let me get a cup.
We filled it
I
up.
thought this nigga getting a cup for the Henny. This nigga get a free drink and walk. Mic check 1 2. Nez. Critical. Yeah. Going in. Battle zone. Yo, the dark shadows, how I travel. The nightlife that I grapple is big like the apple, big like a castle. Block by block, got a moat dug around, too much water to mop.